Welcome to SJ Panel.
So, are we good to start the call? So, let's start the call. So, welcome everyone to our June awards call for UK. I'm very excited to have you guys here, and I just want to take a few moments from you. Let's please let me know when my screen is visible to you guys.
Yes, it's visible.
Thank you, KB. Yeah. So, as you all know, after signing up and when you will complete all your profiles, and that will help us to show you the most relevant surveys according to your profile. And every time you will complete some survey or you will take a survey, and you will receive some points for that. And when you will reach a minimum threshold of 6,500 points, for that after that you can redeem them for exciting rewards as well. So in that also I want to add one more thing here. Whosoever has joined this call, please share your panelist ID in the chat box to get the participation bonus, that is 1,300 points equivalent to £1. Okay. Also, I would like to add one more thing here, that you can earn some more exciting rewards by referring our panel to your friends and relatives whenever they will log in, or they will take some surveys or complete some surveys. You will get some points for that as well. Okay. So let's move to our awards now. So our first award is Profile Prodigy Awards, and actually this award is awarded to those who successfully completed all their profiles in June 2026. And this award is equivalent to 26,000 points, which is equivalent to £20. And in this month we have total 82,732 nominations. Okay, let's see who is the lucky winner for this month. Okay, it's Jory Humphreys from Holyhead, Wales. Congratulations, Jory. Many congratulations to you, Jory. And our next award is Survey Superstar Award. And for Survey Superstar Awards, our points are 19,500 points, which is equivalent to £15. And this award is basically awarded to that panelist who has completed surveys in June 2026. And for this month we have total nominations of 10,576. And the lucky winner is Emmanuel Adauba from Elstree and Boreham Wood, England. Congratulations, Emmanuel. Many congratulations to you. And our last award is Most Active Panelist Award. And Most Active Panelist Award is basically awarded to that panelist who attempted at least one survey in June 2026. And the prize amount for this award is 26,000 points, and which is equivalent to £20. And for this month we have 82,732 nominations. And the lucky winner is Jody Humphreys from Holyhead Bills. I think I had made some mistake here. Congratulations, Tori. Actually, you're most active panelist this month. And I missed some award here. This is Profile Prodigy Award, right? Okay. So the Profile Prodigy Award is basically that award which is awarded to the panelist who has completed all his profiles in June 2026. And I'm repeating here again that the prize amount is 13,000 points, which is equivalent to 10 pounds. And for this month, total nominations are 1,498. And the lucky winner is Robert Nunn Davis from London, England. Congratulations, Robert. Many congratulations to you. And thanks you all for participating in our panel and which is helping us a lot. Thank you for your participation and enthusiasm. Please share your feedbacks to enhance our services every day because your opinions matters for us. Again, many congratulations to all our winners. Does anyone have any questions regarding anything?
No, I guess.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Thank you, KB.
Thank you so much.